Meaning of foolhardiness.
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 Foolhardiness. Foolhardiness refers to a reckless or thoughtless disregard for danger or consequences. It is the tendency to act without proper caution, despite the potential risks involved. This behavior often leads to negative outcomes, such as accidents, injuries, or even fatalities. People who exhibit foolhardy behavior may also be perceived as overly confident or arrogant in their abilities. Ultimately, foolhardiness can result in serious harm to oneself and others, and it is important to exercise prudence and good judgment when making decisions that could impact our own safety or the safety of those around us.